Kan dia kepo ubat kilayo iya gijingnya dek gijonga dan kebanguan bersyat dengan hapo dengan neka madan hapo additional sekretariat ngapen pau gijing snow men kabakrau bat gijing snow iya ka government ni ha kabakalapen snow kalapen sngat iya gijing kerpat gijonga gijing dawa gijonga da kabak ngalayo iya ka assurance kababiang ha kaba nagaliang jung sarkar kila ai kat kum gajing kwa gajunga kublai shubun bat hakane ka por nga pentip sya baro kinong krisyan gijunga ki badon hapo jonga ne ka shillong nang ta ki bana we na we ru hakane ka sni ngan we ngi ya kane ka ji shat ngan gajunga bat ngan le shibet hadu banda khamin ngan dang ap kino ki bakwa ban ya kendo ban nga ngan ap be hakane ka jaga pins ngo ban wan hange ngakwa ban ai ka jing kublai kti kublai shubun kublai ya pi bara poi ki we ki benta banyak keren ngas ngau bah ban pentip syapi bana kaliang jong minister uba presiden tensong ula ai yangi ya kajing dan kam bat kajing dawa gajongi kat kum kajing kwa gajonga kat kum kajing dawa gajonga uba presiden uklam da pen ruam baro kajing dawa jonga ula ai kane gade kajing kerku kajong oblei na kabenta kajing yem gajonga hakaba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi kilapan sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kami ka bomdan nei ka bomdan u khiu ja hayeng badan u khiu ja hayeng ki breu henrai nga pen pau ka jing sngu ya blei bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing kersan ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi we pai we ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kilapan snam ya kata ka jing kerpat ke jonga kijing dawa ke jonga de khanang ba kan de kapor shua ba pintip ya ke jing sisya nga kerpat ya iba kerbong malai begin snu ba bonwan syakman ban pule ya kan de ke agreement ke jing yatar ke jongi ke jing yakut ke jongi bat u minister jongi nga kerpat ya iba kerbok virus nga pule tumba kalong
Tongkat pule yaka kumbakalong upgradation of Nangpas Umdan Sanapur Road length approximate 59 km is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Upgradation of Nangpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER, Government of India, at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works, and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20-kilometer stretch of the Nangpa Umdan Road in their budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report, DPR, is under preparation and will be sent to the Planning Department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the Planning Department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umdan to Benian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length, have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMN MAS of PMGSY. The meeting empower Committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary Piludi, Government of India.